Love New England weather. 2 weeks ago it was 60 degrees, and now I'm cleaning off 1.5 feet of snow. Well, I live in Massachusetts, and this is a pretty big storm. Second one in a row for us. We got 1.5 feet of snow all yesterday. It took me 2 hours to snow blow the driveway. It was a little bit long, and now I'm cleaning off these solar panels so that we can get some extra heat for free into the house. Remember, I'm heating with just the electric resistance now that the heat pump is dead on me. I did try a couple of suggestions that you guys gave me on the previous video about that heat pump failing, and switching it back over to AC mode and then back to heat. It did work for about a day doing that, so I think that's probably something to do with the valve in there. But it's still failing on me. Can't get it to work for a long period of time. I muted that previous clip of audio because the train rolled by, and it's a bit overpowering to the microphone. So I'm just using a push broom to clean the snow off. Now I'm going through and shoveling out the snow from underneath the panels because these are very close to the ground, so the snow kind of piles up where it falls down. I need to make room for it. Yesterday I tried playing with Eleanor out in the snow, but she doesn't seem to enjoy it as much as me. Shoveling, another good sweep, and I think we should get some production out of this. And I went inside and checked, and yep, we're getting about 200 watts this early in the morning, and so that's great. Enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Thanks everybody for joining me.